Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the 2023 Delta State governorship race, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has recorded another mileage with his recent endorsement by the Ijaw ethnic nationality as its sole candidate. Right Honorable Oborevwori, who is humbled by his rising profile in the governorship race, says if elected as the next governor of Delta State, Deltans will have a new deal in governance.
The Ijaw ethnic nationality, a force to be reckoned with in the politics of Delta State, recently adopted PDP flag bearer, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, as its sole candidate in the 2023 Delta governorship election. Speaking during the unveiling of their preferred candidate recently in Warri, Wing Commander Peter Biakpara, retired, said the Ijaws arrived at the decision after wide consultations with traditional rulers and opinion leaders on the choice of governorship candidate to support.
When we looked at all the parties, the man who got the ticket on PDP, Right Honorable Francis Oborevwori, is an Ijaw man. The entire Ijaw worldwide and particularly in Delta State will vote Oborevwori as the sole candidate of PDP, and he is seconded by the other Ijaw sons. Those of you who support, say aye!
Some eminent Ijaw sons had contested the May 25, 2022 PDP governorship primaries in Delta State but did not clinch the ticket. Having failed to produce one of their own as flag bearer of the PDP, the Ijaws decided to shop for a suitable candidate across party lines. According to Honorable Andayi Dagidi, the lot fell on Right Honorable Oborevwori, who possesses qualities reflecting the yearnings and aspirations of the Ijaw ethnic nationality.
After the primaries have come and gone, the Ijaws decided to come together. And at the end of the day, it was an unanimous resolution. Who are who in Ijaw nation of Ghana? 50 Ijaw leaders were selected. And at the end of the day, I quote, allowing for B.Y. Putumo, resolve and overrule that Ijaws are going nowhere. We must queue behind Sheriff Oborevwori. And we have seen in you the qualities we also saw in our children. That today, you are part of us, you are one and part of us. And today, what we expected while we were yearning to take the frontiers of Delta Guber is, you can help the Jonathan to fulfill that agenda.
After his adoption as their sole candidate in the forthcoming governorship election in Delta State, the Ijaw dressed up Right Honorable Oborevwori in their traditional attire and unveiled him to the electorate in Delta State. In his response, the PDP governorship candidate promised that under his administration, the Ijaws would be carried along and all Deltans would benefit from his proposed new deal in governance.
I'm deeply humbled by your decision to adopt me as a candidate of the Ijaw nation for the 2023 governorship election. Indeed, my joy knows no bounds. I don't know where to start from, but I want to say something here. And I have a covenant with Delta State, which is the more agenda, meaningful development, opportunity for all Deltas, realistic reforms, enhanced peace and security. I'm a pan-Delta, I'm a unifier. I have lived with you here. And most of you here live in Warri. I will need to have a new face in Warri.
In the build-up to next year's governorship election, several groups have been identifying with Honorable Oborevwori for his accommodation, generosity and open-door policy in governance. While celebrating Christmas with him, Chairman of Persons Living with Disabilities in Okpe local government area, Emmanuel Jackson, and his colleagues admitted that the PDP governorship candidate in Delta State had always identified with them before this time.
He has been doing this every year, giving us a Christmas package, and we pray that his heart desire, God will give it to him.
He's a friendly speaker to disabled with disability. Talk less of now, we are expecting to be governor. He knows our matter. We are for him, and we are for him, and for him.
We are all very, very happy.
In pursuit of his governorship ambition, Right Honorable Oborevwori recently kicked off his campaigns in Patani, Isoko North, Uwie and Warri South local government areas of Delta State. The campaign rallies attracted many party stalwarts, women, youths and several interest groups, all of whom insist that next year's governorship election in Delta State would be payback time for a politician who before this time had identified with them.
Inside the Niger Delta,